So let's discuss this very interesting question related with the cell division, that is the mitosis. Let's see first what happens in a normal plant cell during telophase. So this is plant cell. Showing telophase. So in the telophase, you know that around the genetic material there is formation of nuclear membrane. Yes. So there is formation of the two daughter nuclei. They have been formed. Karyokinesis has occurred. So now it is the time for the cytokinesis, that is the division of the cytoplasm. And you know this very well that in the case of the plants, the division of the cytoplasm, it occurs through cell plate method. So this cell plate is formed in the center, which grows towards the periphery, leading to the division of the cytoplasm, thus forming two daughter cells. This is what is happening in a normal telophasic cell. But such type of the condition was not seen by the student. He observed something else. One deviation which he saw, that this cell plate is absent, it means no cytokinesis. And along with that, instead of the two nuclear membrane, there is formation of one nuclear membrane. If one nuclear membrane is formed, it means the number of the chromosome inside the nucleus, they have got double. So when number of the chromosomes, they have got double, what do you call this as? This is known as polyploidy, right? So what is the right answer here? That is the option number 3. So let's move on now to the next question. That is the question number 87. So let's discuss question 87. Now, which of the following gas, depletion of which of the following gas can lead to increased incidence of skin cancer? You know that in the atmosphere there is presence of the ozone layer which protect us from the harmful effects of the UV rays like the skin cancer, skin diseases. If the concentration of the ozone decreases in the atmosphere, this will increase the load of the UV rays on the Earth's surface, leading to skin disorder. So the right option here is option number 3. Question 88. Joint forest management was introduced in India during, so this is 1980s. So answer is 4 here. So let's move on to the question number 89 now. So question 89, which one of the following is the start codon? Now you know start codon is AUG, it codes for methionine. UAG, UGA and UAA, they all are nonsense codons, stop codons. So the answer for this question is option number 2. Question 90, theoretical question, term ecosystem was coined by, this term was coined by this ecologist, that is Tinsley. So answer is 3 here. So this is all about the biology section here. I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you so much.